Hello everyone! Today we will talk about humanism, a philosophy that focuses on value, dignity, and potential of human being. Humanism reminds us that we have the ability to shape our own lives and make the world a better place.
Emphasizes reason, ethics, and personal growth. Human can create meaningful life.
Humanism emphasizes reason, ethics, and personal growth. It teaches that the human can create meaning and purpose in life through knowledge and compassion. As Protagoras said, man is the measure of all things, meaning we have the power to shape our own destiny.
Science is a tool to understand nature, while human decides how to use knowledge.
Humanists view science as a tool to understand nature and improve life, but knowledge alone isn't enough. It's how we use it that matters. For example, medical research helps save life and improve healthcare. Humanism reminds us that we must use science ethically and responsibly to benefit society.
Technology is neutral, should serve human needs and well-being.
Technology is neutral. It can help or harm depending on how we use it. Humanism encourages us to use technology to serve human needs and well-being. For example, include AI that helps doctor to treat patient, renewable energy that protects our environment, and educational tools that help students learn. When used with purpose, technology becomes a powerful tool for our human progress. Humanism focuses on the human experience, our freedom, creativity, and moral responsibility. It reminds us that we are responsible for what our action and have the power to make positive changes. Humanism encourages helping each other, showing empathy, and contributing to society. Through reason, compassion, and creativity, we can make the world more human and meaningful.